Hello friends, Hashem Ashraf here from the Canadian Home Realty that's called Canvas Hills in Georgetown. If you are looking at buying estate homes, big size estate homes, 4,000 square foot, 5,000 square foot, 5,500 square foot or even more, this is an ideal project for that. Not too many units, but this project is not for everyone. This project is especially for people who are really looking into these kind of units. Normally, a project of this scale and design don't get that. GTA is full of cookie cutter and similar kind of projects almost when it's a mass construction and mass development. Here in this Canvas Hills, you can have a beautifully designed different of options to choose from. In case if you're looking to buy anything in Georgetown, an estate home, feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202. Again, my number is 289-772-6202. All the links also will be there in the description below. You can get in touch with me. You can see here as a location wise, this is going to be the location. You can see the surroundings, beautiful greenery, beautiful place, and really looks awesome. There are a lot of collections. I'm just going through the design itself now in this project because the floor plans are really big. We need to sit across and discuss the floor plans and pricings. Let me go through different designs they have. There are some, these are walkout collections. You can see the design, it's beautiful designs. This is walk-up collections, okay? And bright side collections, bungalow. There are around 31 lots. Some are huge lots. You can see there's some private lots. Number 4, there's an entry, and after the entry, it's like corner lot, and it's huge. Same way, some number 17, a very deep lot, 16, a very deep lot, and these are all natural open space, all full of greenery. This is protected countryside. Here, there is an existing residential. There is also an existing residential. So great location. Some rendering about the project. Some interiors. So you can see here the interiors are gorgeous because it's so big. It's bigger homes. It looks big. You can see the kitchen and dining, beautifully designed, and you can see the view from the balcony. A cozy balcony on the top. A beautiful washrooms. Like look at the height, look at the ceiling. It's really big. So if you're looking anything of this type of home, like really big, really nice, feel free to give me a call. Okay. These are walk-up collections. I get walk-up collections, 38, 45 square foot. And this is 3905 square foot. Again, walk-up collections. This is 3905 walk-up collections. 4,600 square foot, again walk-up collections. 4,600 square foot walk-up collections. And 4,800 square foot walk-up collections. Huge. You can see here, it's almost 2 levels. And 4,800 square foot walk-up collections. And also 4,800 walk-up collections. One more, 5,500 square foot, bigger homes. These are walk-up collections. Again, 5,500 walk-up collections. Kennedy model, 4,700 walk-out collections. Okay. These are all walk-out collections. 4,751 walk-out collections. So you'll have a walk-out basements. This is also walk-out, 5,115 square foot. Feel free to give me a call at any time at 289-772-6202. All the contact information also will be given in the description. These projects are really great project when it comes to looking at bigger homes, estate homes, bigger lots. The project is launching now. In order to get the unit, please call me. Thanks so much.